It's Mark. How's everybody doing? Check this out. This is one of my favorite SUVs. This, my friends, is a 2007 Hummer H2. It's got a little bit of a slight lift to it. When I say lift, I mean keys, and deal with torsion bars. So as you can see, raise the front up. It's super aggressive. I absolutely love these SUVs, trucks, whatever you want to call them. It's technically classified as an SUV. Big in-your-face grille, designed after the original Hummer, and they are just aggressive. Coming down the road, you cannot miss that. With the cab lights all up top, all the lights in front, the big ram guard grille right here. I'm infatuated with these things. They're like the beast. If you want to be tough and have to drive a minivan or a SUV and still be able to hold your man card, this is the man card to hold. What are we riding on? We're riding on a set of 20 by 12 MOTO Metal 970s, polished face with a gloss black lip. Absolutely beautiful. And these are a set of 35 1250 20s Radar mud terrains. I'm sorry, wait a minute. No, these are the new ones. These are the Radar Renegade X. Renegade X. They are super aggressive. And I just put these on. You can still see the nipples. Nipples, titty twisters. Absolutely an aggressive tire. You can hear it going down the road. You can see it. You can feel it. They're just an awesome all-around tire, and they fit this card right here. And this card is the man card. It's just a hell of a truck. What do we got inside? Interior-wise, brand new set of WeatherTechs I just bought. Brand new front to back WeatherTechs. Let's go around to the other side. Heated seats up front. You got huge. This is the Hummer H2 has one of the biggest sunroofs in SUV, and it's designed perfectly to fit this SUV. It really is. We did a rear tire delete right here. I think it looks a lot better. Almost looks like a Jeep with the fifth wheel, but who cares? We got a brand new driver's seat right here. I'm sorry, brand new leather skin on the driver's seat, front to back. Miles, 156,937 maintained miles. You got the four-wheel drive. You got your lift height right there for your air shocks. All the goodies in here. And if you want to get stuck, if you get stuck with this thing, especially this particular one with these beefy tires and wheels, you're doing something wrong and you don't need to be driving this. This requires big balls and a man card. If you don't have those two things, then you shouldn't be driving one of these. I'm just kidding. I'm just messing with you. Whatever you want to put in here, I don't care if you're 5'2" and 300 pounds or 6'7" and 150 pounds. You can drive. It doesn't matter. We're going on to the rear. Here's the rear WeatherTechs right here. Got a little bit of, I don't know what the hell that is. Some like rip for whatever. Sunroof, everything's good. Rear DVDs in the headrests. Third row single seat right there. The heated seats in the rear. You got your controls in the rear. Bose sound system. This is your driver WeatherTech. What else are we looking at? Dual climate control, factory head unit. There's the sunroof. Huge, like I was saying, massive sunroof. This has got to be, guys, probably 3 feet, 2.5 feet of a sunroof right there. And if you click it an extra, once it goes all the way back and it stops right there, you click it an extra thing, a little trick of the trade, it goes back another inch or two. Here's the VIN number. If you guys want to scope it out. Boom. Under the truck is good. Absolutely beautiful. The tires, I still can't get over these tires. I love them. I absolutely, look at the nipples. Can't get enough of the nipples. Are you a nipple guy or a tail guy? A butt guy? I'm definitely a butt guy. Right there you go. There's the butt of that. How you like those? You got the storage rack, luggage racks up top. Hold on to this, step up top like a man. You can see all the goodies up top here. Put whatever you want. Some people put spare tires, some people put machine guns, some people put girls up top, you can put guys up top, animals, babies, whatever you want. Moving on. Power plant, 6.0 liter Vortec 4x4, and you got the awesome skid plate that says H2 right there. And like I said, when you're driving down the road, no matter what angle you're driving, whether it's a Mini Cooper or a big lifted truck, you see this coming from a mile away, and it's friggin' aggressive. it's cool. I actually feel good driving this truck. If you guys have any questions, give us a call or text 540. Oh, to undo the hood, I'm probably forgetting to do a lot of footage on this or stuff. I'll do more later. But to undo the hood, there's a button inside. Pull the levers and grab onto these oh shit handles that are outside. If you're somebody who tries to run you over with a Hummer, these are the oh shit handles to hold on to for dear life. Pull it back and it'll open the hood. All LED lights and everything, and the turn signals. I'll show you that in a second. Here's the key fob. There's the stock number and everything. So boom. Let's do this right here. Ready? Check it out. Super, super bright front to back. So I hope you guys like it. Give me a call, 540-898-3025. Visit www.superiorwholesale.org. Hope you guys are doing great. See ya.